He was mad.
It's not possible.
Was mad. To try his secret. Now he can't try his secret.
It's not possible.
They are killing my people. Yeah, it's okay. After killing my people, you tell me what to try his secret? The person is mad. Completely mad. Tell Buhari, that's what I said. That he's mad. He cannot tell me. He cannot tell me. He's a madman. There's a contempt of court proceedings here. Contempt of court. They don't obey court order. They don't obey court order. You're Chinese secret prayer. The best man. Rubbish. Rubbish.
On what point are they going to testify?
When Buhari testified against me in public, what happened? Why didn't he guard his offices? He appoints judges. Buhari has been appointing judges in this country. He should stop intimidating judges. That is public. People can have it or not have it. I won't have it. I will not have it. Buhari can intimidate judges, not me. That's nonsense. I'm going to be back. I hope
This is what we are talking about. I just want to make this video so that my friends that always ask me, why do you always support this Biafra? Why do you always support Nnamdi Kanu? Also Buruburu, this is the reason. PA, this is the reason. The Ebo Super, this is the reason. Some of my friends also that lives in America, Canada, Italian, Germany, and Spain, they always in here have fun. Every time Biafran. All my Sierra Leone friends, my Senegal friends, this is the reason. You are not blind, you can see it. If you remember Shawore, when they have him in the custody, he is like pussycat. This is the reason we are following Lion. You see, in the jungle, in the Zoo Republic, Nigeria, the zoo, there must be a lion in the zoo. And this is the lion. When you mention the name of this lion, every zoo must bow. This is the reason we are following this man. A man that is in custody, telling them, go and tell the president of a nation that they will not jail him. That they will never ever jail him. That let them go and tell Buhari that Buhari is mad. That Buhari is mad. He's not afraid of police. You know, sometimes when police want to arrest you, they say anything or do, they will use it in court of law. This man is in the court of law. Now challenging them, go and tell him that he will never ever jail him. That is mad. Who again? And what evidence again do you want that this man mean well? And tomorrow you tell me that you don't follow the Biafra. Wazirika you want me to follow, or Shawore, or Osibanjo, or Buhari, dead Buhari, or Jubril. Man, see evil, say evil, because this man is the kind of man you're supposed to follow. I follow this man because he is a man that reason like me. I follow this man. It's like he always think like me. He always brave to talk like me. He always stand in the truth and say the truth. That is the reason I'm following this man. So share this video. Let it go. I want my friends and all over my friends all over the world to see the reason why I following this great man. Nna m ị ga-adị ihe dịka gị akọkwala ndị Igbo. Ihe dịka gị bịakwara anyị ụwa to ụwa. You are a brave man. We will respect you. Wherever you go, we will go. I use this opportunity to tell you that I personally and my children, my family, we love you so much. We are not afraid, Biafra or nothing. Our forefathers, our fathers have fought the war. We want to continue where they stop. No retreat, no surrender. We are Biafrans. Nnamdi Kanu, wherever you are watching me today, I say, may Chukwu Okike Abịama bless you. Na akwụ m gị n'azụ. O wee go dị inye ihe ọbụla dị special to my life. A na-enye hụ na this Biafra bịara. Onye ihe ọma sọ nsọ. Ihe ọma ga na-agba n'afọ. Ihe ọma sọ m nsọ. We are fighting for the freedom of everybody. Nnamdi Kanu, God bless you. God bless your generation, your unborn children, your family, you are even all the entire Biafran, all the entire people that support this struggle. May God bless you all. All hail Biafra. My friends all over the world, that is the reason I am following this man. We don't need Sabo. We don't need Sabo. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. That is the reason why we are following this man. If you don't like it, go and hang transformer. If you don't like it, go and hang motor guy. If you don't like it, go and put rope on your neck and die. That away. All hail Biafra. IPOB, one family, IPOB, one family, IPOB. We are Biafrans, and in Biafran we will die. No go there.